Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ang reaction video ang may kaya compilation. And so, once again na longer, let's all watch this. Anong atake? Uy, bago to ah. Wait. Bago to ah. Ay, oh loko. Huh? Bakit si Stacy? Wait lang, POV, ni Aya complimented you and you didn't even realize it until you were watching the video because your husband asked for a greeting from Billy Mika. Ano ba sabi? Wow, ganda. Ano yun? Ano yung ang ganda? Hi to your husband. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ito. Yeah. Ang expensive talaga ni Mika. Oo, ang expensive talaga ni Mika. Left side? Yung left side mo, sige na, go na mami. Huwag ka na mahiya. Go. Dali na, atake na. Atake na for today's video. Sige na. Cute. Ang expensive niya talaga. Ang expensive talaga ng salita ni Mika. Oh. Ay, ano to? Ay, parang sinisindos naman dito ni ano. Parang sinisindos naman ni Aya si Mika. Ay, yes. Isindos mo yan, mami. Sign yan. Yes. Eh, Black to Red era. May ano to? Ang daming bago. Ay, pak, atake sila. Mami, atake sila, mami. Ay, si Stacy. Hindi papayag si Stacy. Wait lang. Hindi papayag si Stacy. Sandali. Ang dami may kaya. Oh. Yo. Charis. Ay, tapos na pala.
Did you know that Out of My Head was composed by Sab, who also composed Golden Arrow?
Ang expensive talaga ni Mika magsalita, sa totoo lang. Pati si Aya. Si Mika yung may conviction, si Aya yung soft. Ay, tingnan. Di tayo, guys. Ay, ganun po talaga dapat niya.
Since the very start of this show, the moment we went out,
Mm-mm.
we can feel the energy.
We can feel. Si Mika. Kita ko kay Aya pag lumalakas yung boses niya.
Let me hear it one more time. But wait, I have a question. Okay, who came here to watch your show with a partner? Who came here with a partner?
Ay, with a partner. Sana all. Sana all na lang talaga. Mapapasana all ka na lang. Without a partner.
Do this thing called matchmaker. I like to be the Cupido. For tonight, well, look at everyone beside you, left or right.
Mm-hmm.
Before you tell them this question, I want you guys to say hi first. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Look at them sa mata nila. Look at their eyes so you can feel the connection.
Look at their eyes.
I'm seeing this guy with a blue hoodie and the girl with a red shirt.
With a red shirt.
Yes, and I'll lean forward. But before you tell them your comment, your compliment, or anything, it could be good or bad, whisper them this question. Can you keep a secret?
Can you keep a secret for today's video? Ay, ito. Layag na layag. Ay, si Mika. Ganda ni Mika. Nakakainis. Ay, atake. Ay, Ay! Pak! Si Stacy! Hindi mo kaya si Stacy. Layag na layag ko. Layag, what is layag na layag for today's video? Okay. Ay, okay, what's this? Ay, sawadee ka. Yes! Atake! Atake, yes! Gumanon si Mika. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo. Hindi magpapatalo si Mika. O, loko. Anyways, hindi magpapatalo si Mika. Grabe, yung expensive ni Aya tingnan. Ang expensive ni Aya tingnan. Grabe. Anyways, what's next? Eh! Ito. Ano mahawa to? Oh. Eh! Ay, ginagaya pala niya talaga. Ngayon ko lang nag-gets. Ay, hello. Okay. Ganda ni Aya. Ganda ni Aya kahit hindi talaga siya naka-makeup and everything. Maganda talaga siya. Maganda talaga si Aya. Ay, nahawakan siya. Ang kamay, Aya, ha? Aya, ang kamay mo. Ano yan? Ito. Halika dito, sabi ni Aya. Sa left side. Cutie. Cutie ng ship nila in Venice. Ay, what is this? Ay, ganda ni Mika, my God. Oh, yung sa concert to. Yung sa concert pala yan. Since Mom and Mika. Kailan si Mom and Aya? About sa mga mom. Ay, yes. Eh. Okay. Anyways, it is over for today's video from Kaya. This is DJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.